everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well. So for today's makeup look, I'm gonna do a more glam and soft makeup look, but with a pop of color, and I really hope that you like it. So let's get started. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. I'm gonna start off using the Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. I love this eyeshadow base so much, and I'm gonna apply just a little bit all over the lid. And to apply, I'm gonna use my clean finger. For today's makeup look, I'm gonna use the Creme de Contour palette. I love this palette. It's by Sigma and the pastel colors are so beautiful. I'm gonna apply with a big fluffy brush this pinky shade right here. I'm gonna mix both of them. I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow in my crease, in the outer corner of my eyes, and also a little bit in the lower lash line. And this will be my transition shade. Now in the eyelid, I'm gonna apply a purple eyeshadow base. So now I'm gonna use the Smashbox liquid lipstick, and this is the Always On Some Nerve. I really like to use this lipstick as eyeshadow base. So I'm gonna apply a little bit all over the lid, and with a concealer brush like this, I'm gonna just smudge the edges. Using the same brush, I'm gonna just set the eyeshadow base using this eyeshadow right here from the palette. Now using an angled brush, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the dark purple just in the roots of my lashes to define my eyes a little bit, but I'm not gonna create any eyeliner in this look, so I'm gonna use just a little tiny bit. And now I'm gonna apply this beautiful cream eyeshadow, and this is by BH Cosmetics. No, it's not a cream eyeshadow, this is a liquid eyeshadow. This is Eye Light, and this is the shade Size. Whoa, look, this color is so beautiful. So I'm gonna apply a little bit with my finger right on top of this gorgeous purple shade. And now let's see how it goes. So you can leave it like this or apply the liquid eyeshadow here as I did in this side, and I find a better way to apply this product. So you just gotta spray it a little bit in the back of your hand, and now I just press in my eyelid. Can you see? It looks way better. So now I go working the eyeshadow as much as I need. So now I just applied my fake lashes. Look how cute it is, and it's so easy to do. It's a little smoky eye with a pop of color, and it looks stunning. So now let's move on to my skin. Today I'm gonna use, let me grab the product. So today I'm gonna mix two products for my skin. I'm gonna use the Bourjois foundation, and my shade is 52. I love this foundation so much. It's Healthy Mix Serum, so it moisturizes my skin while I have a beautiful tint on it, and I like this so much. So to mix and add a little bit of glow, I'm gonna use the highlighter by Eloise, and this is the shade Blushing 2. So to set everything in my face, I'm gonna apply this translucent powder by Airspun. Look how much product I have in here. Whoa, I love this powder so much. It's very like Laura Mercier maybe. I love the effect because it closes my pores and makes my makeup look stay flawless all day. I really like this one. It's very affordable. So I'm gonna apply a little bit with my brush because I don't want to take off this beautiful glow in my skin. To contour my face, I'm gonna use the Scoop palette by Sigma Beauty, and I'm gonna mix these two. Oh, I'm gonna mix these two shades right here with this brush. This is a fluffy angled brush, soft angled contour brush, and is amazing to contour your face. So I'm gonna just grab a little bit of both of them, and now I'm gonna contour. And now to highlight my face, I'm gonna use the highlighter from the same palette and the high cheekbone brush by Sigma. And now for blush, I'm gonna use the blush palette by Sigma as well. I love this palette so much, and I'm gonna apply the blush using the same brush that I use it to apply powder in my face. I'm gonna use this pink shade right here. And to finish off my lips, I'm gonna use the same liquid lipstick as before that I used it in my eyes as eyeshadow base. And this is the final result. I was about to apply a lip gloss in my lips, but I think the whole look is so beautiful like this. I already have glitter and shine in my eyes, so I decided that I wanna keep it like this today. And in the eyes, if you want, you can add a little eyeliner, cat eyes if you want. I think it looks so beautiful too, and I really like how it looks now. You can change the colors for blue, pink, or whatever you want. I really love this technique, and the liquid lipstick as a base makes this makeup look last longer. So that's it for this look, my lovies. I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!